Hi there. The mango season at Organic Cuck is not yet over. You may be wondering, how come we're still delivering mangoes during the monsoon season? Well, Maharashtra and Goa are not the only two states that give us these fantastic mangoes. There are a host of other states that mangoes are grown throughout the year. Right now, we're delivering mangoes which are harvested in the northern states like Bihar, Uttarakhand, or even Uttar Pradesh. We're delivering these amazing chosas, beautiful daseris, and of course, the ever popular langras. So go ahead and place your order for these and many more other varieties of mangoes on organicstuff.com today.